Minister, welcome to our beautiful island, as beautiful as yours is, I am told.
See my executive assistant.
Okay.
This is Edwin from our Bureau of International
Okay.
Operations. And this is
Steph.
Steph from the Human Resources.
Okay.
She was the one that took care of your delegation.
Oh,
She
nice.
was
But thank you
the
very much. They
representative.
had a great time. The Philippines has a tremendous reputation globally for healthcare, training of healthcare workers, and indeed, voluntarily or involuntarily, the deployment of Filipino healthcare workers across the world. Perhaps far more than Jamaica could ever, because their population is bigger, but proportionally as significant in terms of Jamaicans who work, particularly in North America, in the healthcare system there. So we have a real common interest in that we are known internationally, reputationally, and in a sense, we train for export. But we have a problem, and I'm sure probably he does too.
The lack of healthcare workers and the migration of health workers to richer countries. So that cooperation is the reason I'm here, because Jamaica sent a delegation, and I think they were very happy to see our hospitals, our nursing schools, our universities, which can be an avenue for continued exchange. I told them the way we solved our problem was we just kept training more nurses and training more doctors. In the end, we became the solution to the rest of the world. Any country that needed healthcare workers would come to us and take our nurses. But that is affecting our own healthcare system. For example, with nurses, we produce like 10,000 nurses a year. 13,000 leave the country for better paying jobs abroad. So we need to be more creative.
We are hoping over the next 3 days to sign an MoU around some common sharing of ideas, technical support. Coming out of this visit will be a confirmation of the friendship between both countries and the willingness to collaborate between both countries as we advocate the One Health Universal Access to Health approach or principle, which is that no matter where you're from, no matter what origin, no matter what socioeconomic status, health is a human right, and we should, as a world, support each other to ensure that there is equity of access and quality of access.